Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your OKX account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, just open up the OKX application in your mobile and log into your account. Once you are logged into the account, go ahead and tap on this box icon in the top left corner. If you have not yet verified your OKX account, then you will be able to see this unverified level right under your email. Simply go ahead and tap on Unverified text box, and this will open up your profile page. Now, tap on Identity Verification and you will be on this page. You will need your government-issued ID and a selfie verification. Go ahead and tap on Verify Now. And up in the next page where you will need to select your country and your ID type that you have available. After you have done, tap the Next button. And now you will need to take a photo of your personal document that you have gotten ready and take a selfie from your camera. Now with the help of your camera, go ahead and take a photo of the front of your identification document that you have selected. On the next page, you will need to go ahead and take the back side of your ID and document and follow through the prompt. Now you need to take a selfie of yourself, and after you provide all of the necessary details, you will be able to verify your OKX account. Once your account have been verified, you will be able to see Verify level right on your username. So that's basically how you can verify your OKX account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.